Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Enoch car air purifier. You can get this product on Amazon for about $24. Check out the link in the description. The air purifier is also a USB car charger with two USB ports. I charged my smartphone with the air purifier and it was fully charged pretty fast. This video shows how the air purifier works. I tested the air purifier for about a week and I think it's a good product. I don't smoke, so it's hard to test the air quality in my car, but it feels like the air is fresher when I use the air purifier. And it also works pretty good as a USB charger. So if you're looking for an easy to use air purifier for your car, which also works as a USB charger, I would recommend the Enoch car air purifier. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.